All right guys, don't mind the cluttered backdrop of the barn, but today we are going to be installing a water spigot on this barrel. It's a 55 gallon barrel, turning it into a rain barrel. Things we'll be using for this project: we've got our Renator rain barrel spigot. You can find that on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description. It's very simple. It's got the spigot, the locking washers, a string to fish it through the barrel, and some Teflon tape. You'll need a drill with a 1 1/4 inch bit on it, or you could use a hole saw. That's actually what it calls for, but this is what I have. And I've got a couple wrenches here, just because it'll make it a little easier to tighten this on at the end. All right, we're going to start down here. We are going to drill a hole about 2 1/2 3 inches off the bottom.
I know I could put the spigot a little bit lower on the barrel, but I want to make sure if anything comes down the gutter and settles in the bottom of the barrel, that it's not going to clog the spigot. So I have a little bit of room down there for things to collect if that does happen. Now, long before I started this project, I cleaned this barrel out dozens of times. It was previously used for windshield washer fluid, and I washed it out repeatedly so that when I'm done, it will be ready to be used for chickens, for the garden, whatever I want. We could even drink out of it ourselves.
All right, so this spigot is actually 3 pieces. You got the spigot part of it with the ball valve inside of it, on off, and you got this right here. This is 2 pieces, and it actually is reverse threads, and that makes sense because when you tighten on the spigot, you want it to be tightening these even further, not loosening them. So this one is actually reverse thread, so I'm tightening it right now, even though I'm spinning it lefty-loosey. We'll be fishing this down into the barrel and into the hole we just drilled. So let's get started. We're gonna fish this on down. All right. So first things first. Oh, watch your face, buddy.
Why are you gonna fish that out?
Move back a little bit. Move back a little bit, okay? Well, you're not blocking the camera. So first things first, we're gonna fish this string down and we're gonna take it out the hole in the bottom. String, there you are. All right, got this pulled out on the bottom here, so I got both ends. I'm gonna hang onto this end, and I'm gonna put this down on the string so that it slides down the string and goes into the hole where the string is, like so. We have fished it down. I'm just gonna grab it with our hands here, bring it out. The hole is just the right size. Whew, that's awesome. Nice, very snug. All right, we can get rid of that string. I'm gonna twist this on. And what I said, that was reverse thread. Let's see.
Can I play with the string?
Yep, you can, buddy.
Well, why is it wet?
Because the barrel is a little bit wet. And I'm kind of grabbing the inside here, holding it tight so I can twist this. And because it has a gasket, it wants to stay, so that's nice.
You want to put 5 wraps of Teflon tape on here. You want to wrap it in the same direction that you're going to thread the spigot into the receiving hole. Otherwise, the Teflon tape will come unraveled and bind in the hole and may not create the watertight seal you're looking for.
Okay. There we go. Here we go.